Did you know there was a race where a legend was born in the rain? Without even winning. It was 1984, Monaco, rain pouring endlessly. Visibility almost gone. Most drivers backed off. Some lost control, but one young rookie did the opposite. He accelerated. Lap after lap, he carved through champions. He wasn't just driving, he was dancing in the storm. Later, he said everything felt silent, as if time had slowed, as if the car wasn't beneath him, it was part of him. The race was stopped, too dangerous. He didn't win. But the world saw a phenomenon. 10 years later, another race, another silence, and this time, it never ended. Final, some legends are born in chaos and remembered in silence.